Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? My beautiful crafty friends, I'm going to show you guys how I made this tiny little embellishment using a doily. I thought this turned out so beautiful. It's just a little envelope doily, and it's stuffed with a few little goodies for Valentine's Day. I thought it would be a nice idea to add to a Happy Mail or even as a gift tag. So I want to show you how I made this, okay? So what you need is a doily. I'm using here a heart-shaped doily, but you can really use any doily that you want. Because it's Valentine's Day, obviously I'm using a heart-shaped doily. You can get these at Michael's, Dollar Tree, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, even any market that have a baking section also most likely will sell something like this, okay? So you're gonna find yourself a doily. And what we're gonna do with the doily is we're going to fold it in half. So let's fold it in half, and that's going to give us a little crease to show us where the half of the heart is, all right? Then we're going to fold the doily towards the crease, one end, and we're going to fold the other end. Okay, you're going to get a shape that looks like this. What you're going to do is, on these two ends down here, you're going to add a little bit of double-sided tape. And what we're going to do is we're going to fold this over this way. That is going to create a cute little envelope shape, as you can see there. See that? And that will create a cute little envelope shape. You can literally add anything in here that you want, any little goodies that you want. You can basically add it in there if you wish, okay? This is such a cute idea to add to, again, Happy Mail, because you can just add little knickknacks in there and add it to the Happy Mail. But we're going to make an embellishment, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to actually ink a little envelope with ink. I have here this like burgundy color ink, and all you gotta do is just basically go around your envelope and ink it. That's really all you're going to do. Now, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I kind of like that look of like the vintagey kind of look, a little bit aged look. I kind of enjoy that. So, but again, you don't really have to if you don't want to. And once you ink your envelope, you should get something that looks like this. All right, a little cute envelope that you can use to add little die cuts or little stickers inside. All right, so I have here this one that I already inked that I want to use. So we're going to actually dress up this little envelope. In the inside of the envelope, I added this really beautiful heart that kind of fits the perfect, all right? So go through your heart die cuts that are a little heart shape, and whatever kind of fits in there, use that one. You can also use a sticker. I use that heart because I think the heart looks really, really pretty there. I also am going to use this Cupid that I thought was adorable, and we're going to put that also in the inside of the envelope, all right? So let me glue down my heart first. All right, and that's gonna look like that. And I'm going to add my Cupid in there. Just like that. See that? Now, to the little Cupid, there's a little heart right here. I want to add a tiny, tiny little heart sticker that looks like this, that I got at the Dollar Tree, just to give it a little pretty look, and it kind of will stick out a little bit, right? So I'm going to add this little heart right over the heart that the cubit is actually holding. I got this cubit sticker a long time ago. I don't really even remember where I got it. I want to say Dollar General, but I don't really remember. See? And that's gonna look super cute. It kind of pops up a little. On this one, I also did the same thing. I added a little gem of heart there. All right. And now we're going to decorate the outside of the envelope. That's the fun part. So get some stickers, get some hearts, get whatever you want. So on this end over here, I want to add these little hearts from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add them right over here because then I want to add another one right over on top of that one. All right. So let's hot glue this one down first. And I want to hot glue this one a little bit over. Now, I have here this love sticker that I got at the Dollar Tree as well. They look like this. Or maybe I got this. This is from the Dollar Tree. This may be from the Dollar Tree. It may be also from Target, but the Dollar Tree does sell these little stickers that say love on it. I'm going to put this love right over this heart right here. Just like that. See that? How pretty that looks. And then I have another little heart that I want to put right over here. And this one, I got these little stickers that are so cute. I want to put another little heart right over this section right here. So I'm going to find a small heart, perhaps this one. And I'm going to add that right in this area right here. See that? Then I added a cute little bow. So we're going to add a bow. We're going to put it right on the side right here. I have my bow already made for myself. I'm going to add the little bow right in this area right here. Actually, I can use this one or I can use this one. No, this one. Yeah, that one. Teensy little hot glue. And we're going to add it right in this area right here. And the last thing that we're going to do is add buttons on this side right here. I have these really beautiful buttons that I want to add. So I have this like, I don't know, this like weird shaped button. I'm going to add this one on this end right here. So let's do that. And then I'm going to add a tiny one on top of that one. Tiny red heart, tiny red button on top of that one. And that's it. If you want to cut your little ends shorter, you can. Let's see here. Do I want to cut my ends? Maybe a little bit. There you go. And that's it. And that is how we create this fun, adorable little embellishment that's going to go perfect in your Happy Mail or in a gift tag. Voila! How pretty are these? Didn't these turn out so cute? I love them. I'm going to be making more of these. I have here 3 more little cubits that I'm going to use, and I'm going to make a few more of these. I'm using them as tags for a little treat that I'm going to give away. So I thought these are really fun. I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these. I hope that this gives you some ideas. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I love you all and have a fantastic day. Bye, honey bunnies.